Hello everyone.
My name is Ravreet.
My name is Gurbaksh.
My name is Yukta. We are the students of 8th with our coordinating teacher Mrs. Rupinder ma'am from Angelwood School near Miri Piri Academy Road, Chhata, Amritsar. We are here to represent our science model for Macmillan Budding Scientist Competition. Our model is on environment issues and concern related to pollution. As we know, there are 3 types of pollution: water, air and noise pollution. Let's see how it's spread.
For making this model, the material that we have taken is a thick cardboard. You can also use thermocol. Then we need a colorful papers, scissor, paint, artificial grass, artificial tree, white sheets, door, ice cream sticks, cars, plastic sheet, pipe and cotton.
This is a model depicting industrialization. For this we have using a cardboard of 95 cm long and 65 cm wide. We made an industry using a cardboard of 24 cm long and 20 cm wide. We covered it with red glaze paper and labeled it. Whenever we introduce about pollution and environment, firstly we have shown industry.
As you know, industrial pollution is the pollution which can be directly linked with industry. This form of pollution is one of the leading causes of pollution worldwide. Industrial activities area major source of air, water and land pollution leading to illness and death of thousands of people in the world.
Among the industry, we have made a brick kiln with black chart emitting smoke in the air, causing air pollution.
See a blue part which represents a river body. We have connected a pipe of 20 cm from the industry that is transmitting the chemical substances into the river. In the garbage side, the garbage truck throws garbage and also the man throwing his garbage into the river which causes water pollution.
They are one of the major causes of air and water pollution. The next causes are cars. It is common that all vehicles are run by petrol, diesel and CNG gases which causes air pollution. After this society also play a major role in spreading pollution. Let's see how.
For making the society, we need a cardboard with dimensions of length 35 cm and breadth 14 cm. In the compound of the society, the children are dancing by playing the loud music that creates noise pollution.
In front side, we are introducing ozone layer that have hole due to the excess use of refrigerator, air conditioner, any type of spray or other electronic devices. To make ozone layer, we have used transparent sheet, plastic pipe with length 12 cm and plastic cap for base. We have cut holes on transparent sheet and outlined it with black marker.
Thank you everyone.
We hope that we could express our thoughts in the form of this model. As we as green ambassadors of the earth should take measure to reduce it in all possible ways.
We should not discharge the chemical waste in the river as it can affect the life of the aquatic animals. The chimney should also be improvised so that they filter the smoke.
The use of the electronic devices should be limited. Let us join the hands and bring the change. Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe.